This video tutorial discusses how to use filter feature for Creo enhancements in Punditas AI Advisor. Punditas is an AI-powered platform revolutionizing the way users train, adopt, and excel with enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric. By leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning, Punditas adapts to user preferences, learns individual needs, and delivers what truly matters, transforming the software experience like never before. By narrowing down results with just a few clicks, users save valuable time, accessing only the Creo enhancements they need. A user-friendly interface simplifies navigation, making it easier to focus on learning or leveraging specific Creo enhancements. Search for any Creo-related topic within the search box provided, for example, multi-body parts. Punditas AI-based Insights Engine presents search results in the form of a knowledge graph that includes help documents, video tutorials, enhancements for PTC Creo as shown in the picture. The left pane allows filtering of perspectives such as product, support, customer, references, and partner. 122 search results for multi-body parts is displayed, of which 26 search results pertaining to Creo enhancements. Now let's explore the 26 enhancements available for multi-body parts. To access the Creo filter feature, simply expand or open the side navigation bar by clicking the arrow button or click on the filter button. The left pane allows you to filter search results. The left pane allows users to filter enhancements based on Creo releases. For example, the filter includes Creo 7, 8, 9 and 11 releases, each containing references to multi-body parts. Here's an example of filtered Creo enhancement, based on release 11. Once an enhancement is clicked, it can be viewed on the source site. In this tutorial, we explored how to use the filter feature in Punditas AI Advisor to efficiently narrow down Creo enhancements, saving you time and helping you find exactly what you need with ease. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.